Hi, my name is Chip, and I'm here from DigitalDavao.com. We are here to unbox and review the latest from DarkFlash Global, the ARCEE DY470 luxury PC case. DarkFlash ARCEE DY470 is a three-sided glass construction, perfect for showcasing your PC components. Tempered glass side panels look different for both white and black models, as seen from posts on the internet. White models tend to have a clear glass, while black models have a dark tint on it. Capable of supporting up to 360 mm radiators. GPU clearance with a 410 mm max horizontal mount clearance. I/O ports include 2 USB 3.0, 1 USB Type-C, HD audio, reset, and power button. Can support one 120mm radiator system at the rear. Can support up to 360mm radiator system at top and side. There are 7 expansion slots, an optional PCIe 4.0 riser cable. Support up to 10 120mm case fans. In conclusion, DigitalDavao finds the DarkFlash ARCEE DY470 luxury PC case as highly recommended. Design was well executed for its purpose while maintaining a price under $100. Tinted tempered glass, support for back-mounted motherboards, and back panel shroud are the top features that brought us to this conclusion. Let us know your thoughts on the DarkFlash ARCEE DY470 luxury gaming case in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to support this channel.